Hey my beautiful souls, welcome back to Abundance with Lala. If you're feeling overwhelmed, tense, or like your mind just won't slow down, this is your moment. This meditation is designed to guide you back into stillness, helping you release stress, relax your body, and return to a place of calm clarity. So get comfy, close your eyes if you haven't already, and let's begin. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, feeling your chest rise. And when ready, exhale fully, letting your shoulders melt just a little. Let your breath find its own natural rhythm. There's nothing to fix, nothing to control, just allowing. Bring your awareness to the feeling of your body resting. Notice the weight of your limbs, the stillness in the room. You are here. You are safe. You are allowed to rest. Let's scan through the body now, slowly, gently. Begin at your feet. Feel the connection to the ground beneath you. Move up your ankles, your calves. If there's any tension, no need to judge it, just breathe into it. Notice your knees, your thighs, your hips. Notice the sensation of the surface supporting you. And let go a little more. Bring awareness to your lower belly, your back. Feel any emotions stored there. And breathe spaciousness into those areas. Feel your chest, your heart. Does it feel heavy? Light? Open? Protected? Let your breath soothe your heart space. Now your shoulders down to your arms and hands. Then up through your neck, jaw, your cheeks and forehead. Let everything soften. Let everything go. Let your whole body feel warm, supported, and fully at ease. Now gently bring your attention to how you're feeling emotionally. There may be stress or tiredness, or even nothing in particular. Whatever is here, acknowledge it. You don't need to fix it. Just let it be. Let the breath be your anchor. Inhale, I welcome calm. Exhale, I let go of what I don't need. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to feel light. You are allowed to return to your natural peace. Now allow yourself to sink deeper into stillness. No thoughts to chase, no stories to follow, just your breath and your being. Float here in your peace. Nothing to do, nowhere to go, just this. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your feet, your fingers. Wiggle your toes gently. Notice the surface beneath you again. Take a slow breath in and a long exhale out. Feel the calm you've created from within. It's yours to return to any time. Place your hands over your heart and thank yourself for choosing stillness today. You're not behind. You're not broken. You are exactly where you need to be. Rested, grounded, and reconnected. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing this peace into the rest of your day or night. You deserve to feel calm. You deserve to feel good. You deserve to receive. Thank you for being here with me. See you next time.